Hey guys, Dave from ETN. So today we'll be doing the unboxing and review of this Realme Buds Air Pro. By the way, I'll be comparing these earbuds with the Realme Air. So basically, these earbuds Pro are the next version of the Realme Buds Air, which are released last year. So coming to the specs, these Realme Buds Air Pro come active noise cancellation up to 35 decibels, and they even have 94 ms super low latency for gaming. So people who prefer truly wireless for gaming, these are the earphones that you can check. These even come with 10 bass drivers, so it has true bass, so it is not that kind of bass that is changed by EQ or any other things. It even has transparency mode. It comes with 25 hours of battery. I think 25 battery is the total battery life that the case and earbuds use. It's not the battery life only earbuds which are present inside the case. Coming to that, it has two microphones for dual noise cancellation. So let's do the unboxing. So the case is pretty nice. So it has only yellow all over branding. It even has some Realme branding, and it comes with black version of Realme Buds Air Pro. By the way, guys, this is the white version. I checked for black version, but during all the time in the sale, black was out of stock. So I ordered the white ones. So on the top, we just guessed. I think it's quotation by Realme. It has some paperwork. I think it's warranty guide, it's warranty card and some guide. Of course, I don't know this all. So on the top we get Realme earbuds. So coming to accessories, I think we only get a Type A Type C cable and some ear tips. So let's see what all ear tips we get. Oh, Realme has put a nice slogan here. It says that noise off game on the branding. So we get a yellow Type A to Type C cable, and other things. I think these are just ear tips to go with the case.
2,000 years later.
By the way, guys, my initial impressions are pretty good. So it doesn't have any matte finish, but it's not even glossy. There aren't any fingerprints, as you can see here. Not matte, but it's pretty. It has some kind of texture on it, so you can grip them. So this time Realme has put the pairing button on the right side of earphones. It's here. So coming to pairing, if you have any Realme phones like Realme X3 or Realme any other phones, you will get a card on the top of it to get a pair. But for any other phone, you just need to press this button for 3 seconds to pair. So for testing, I'll be using a Redmi K20 Pro. So I'm running customers on this. It's Pixel Experience, which is running on Android 11. So pairing process is pretty simple. You just need to open this lid and press the pairing button. They are connected. The design of these earphones are pretty much similar to the AirPods Pro. So as for the fitting, it comes with the medium size tips, and we get extra large and small tips with these extra ones. So for the fit, by the way, guys, I think noise cancellation is acting right now because I can hear my voice pretty muffled. So for the fit, it's pretty good. I don't think that will fall out of my ear so soon. Now coming to it doesn't have any IP rating, so you should be pretty careful here. So it doesn't have any IP rating or sweat resistance, so you just need to be careful on it. Now coming to controls, this stems here on the right, as you can see here. So these are touch controls. Realme has designed double tap and dual tap function on this. So Realme has even launched the app which is called Realme Link, as you can see here. It has basic functions like you can toggle game mode, volume enhancer, bass boost. So now coming to the controls, so out of the box, for double tap on the right you get play and pause. For triple tap, next track. On the left you get double tap to switch noise profiles from noise cancellation to transparency and general. And for triple tap you get voice assistant. So it works with both the Google and iOS. So it can even work for Siri if you triple tap it. I even checked this with my iPad Pro. So now let's see the sound quality of this. So by the way, guys, I'll be testing these earphones with this Realme Air and compare both with with the sound profile. And as for the noise cancellation, I'll be using this Sony WH910. So these are the extra base version from Sony. So guys, these are some premium active noise cancelling earphones that cost on like 18 to 17,000. So I won't say that these can perform up to this, but I'll just compare that at least how much closer can it get to these active noise cancelling headphones. So now let's first listen. I'll be testing the same songs on all these on the 3 earphones, and the song I'll be testing is Dynamite from BTS. So the volume is at like 60% and ANC is on. Oh. So guys, on 70% volume, these are pretty loud. As for touch controls, I think that you can be used it as soon as you buy, because there is a little bit of learning curve, so you need at least 2 to 3 days to get used to it. After using it for 2 to 3 days, you will be pretty familiar with this, so there is no need of any issue on the touch controls. As for the sound profile, so I think that these are basically so it has pretty high bass. You can even toggle in the settings that does it need bass boost or any volume enhancer. So as come to loudness, so I can say that these are pretty loud. So even at 70% volume, these are very loud. I think if you crank it up 100, your ears will burst out. So now I'm coming into ANC. While it's in the ANC on, you can hear like some little bit sounds like if a person is talking in front of me, I can't hear their voice, but if there's a little high rumble or any other sounds, you can hear it. But as for these earphones, they come with this type of inside ear style, so almost maximum noise are blocked, so there is no need of any other things. Now coming to the sound, these are pretty good coming to sound, so you can have any EQ, but doesn't have any EQ in that, so you can't control the treble, everything. So that's a kind of thing that Realme should try to put in the app. Now let's compare these with the Realme Buds. So before that, let me say about battery life. So Realme says that this can run around like 6 hours without ANC on, and with ANC on they'll be around like 3.5 to 4 hours. So I think Realme claims are pretty good, and this the case here as it can charge these earphones up to I think 4 times, because it has 25 hours of data time. Coming to the size difference, so you can see here, so this is really thin because it's pretty bulky, but now coming to dimension, overall dimension, this has bigger footprint, but it's pretty pocketable because this case can fit in all the small pockets you get with the jeans or any other bag. Now coming to, there only one thing that I think Realme has compromised, it's a hinge. So you can see in Realme hinge, it's pretty solid, but here the hinge feels pretty wobbly, you can see here, so it's not so strong. If you can hear the voice, so let's see. So this is Realme Air, and this is the difference between the Pro. So this hinge is pretty, the reason is that the hinge area the Realme has put here, it's pretty low, if you can see or not. So if I open here, so you can see the hinge area is pretty low. If I need to measure it, so it's around like, the hinge area here is like around 4 to 5 centimeters. Whereas for Air, you get around like 12 to 15 centimeters of hinge area. So that's the reason I think this pretty weak, but I think for 4,500 rupees it's okay. Now coming to pricing, the earphones right now they're retailing for 4,500 rupees. So on festival sale you're getting 500 rupees off. Realme has actually priced these around like 5,000 rupees. So coming to the price category, so from 4,000 to 6,000 in this price category, there aren't any earphones with truly with active noise cancellation. There are some which offer active noise cancellation, but all of those are not pretty good. So if you want ANC on this price bracket, so the only option you have is Realme. So now let's compare sound with this buds here. So I've been using these earbuds for around like 4 to 5 months. These are pretty good actually. These are the very close competition for the AirPods Pro. So guys, as soon as I started listening in this, these definitely lacks some richness and bass. By the way, these are open ear, so I can hear all the background noise while playing music. So if you want immersive experience, then your only option is for this. But if you're okay with this open ear, then you should buy the Realme Buds Q Neo or the Q, which are priced around 2,000. As for the active noise cancellation, let's try this Sony and test them out. So of course these are very good, because as coming to the sound or the sound quality, Sony are pretty much higher. They have set a industry standard on the sound. So now let's only talk about ANC, because I can't compare these two on the sound. So coming to ANC, can say that these are performing around 60% of these can perform. So you will get around like 60 to 60% of what these earphones can cancel out in this one, which is pretty good on this price segment. So if you are looking for ANC earphones, especially on budget for 5,000 to 4,000 rupees, you want India design and you want decent battery life, I think these are pretty good earphones for that price. So well done Realme. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and turn that bell icon to get phone notifications. Please like and share this video. See you in the next one. Bye.